Hey guys, so for today's video, we're going to do a centerpiece or a display for your home and for your office, wherever you want to put this. But disclaimer, this basket will definitely rot because it's made up of wood or rattan. So this one is just for temporary use only. So for this project, I'm gonna use this basket. So I just bought this online and you can find this at Dollar Shop or the craft store. And I also have this black bag, or you can also use a garbage bag. So what I do is I just simply put it and I put some holes on it so the water can pass through if we're going to water the plants. So the ideal color of plastic is black or transparent if you have, just to fit in for the basket. It's not obvious when you put the plastic bag. So I just put some holes on it, and then after this I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up with an ordinary soil. So I just use this ordinary premix soil with peat. So I just use this one for this project, and you can use your DIY soil mix if you have, but this one works. So I have here few cuttings that I prepared. I have pothos, flamingo flowers or anthuriums. I have different bacchia and aglaonemas. So maybe I'm gonna add some more in a while, but we're gonna go ahead and start with the taller ones. So I'm gonna put this one right at the center of the basket. So the idea is just put the height first. So the taller ones should go first. You can put it on the sides. You can put it on slanting, and then like if you want it to be trailing, then you can do so. It's all up to you on whatever style you want it to be, or how you want to address your design. So the shorter ones I'm gonna fill in on the front side or just on the edge of the basket, and the colors will be right at the center as well, so that the splash of colors will be right at the center. It will be the focal point of the basket or the project. For the pillars, I put this ant plant, and I also have spider plants at the back, so I'm gonna put it right at the back. This one will go here in front, and then later on I'm gonna add some more pothos just to fill up the gaps or space. So the main idea is to make our basket look fuller. So you want it to look fuller as possible, so you have to fill in those gaps with tiny plants or tiny cuttings. If you have more, then it's better. And then for the finale, I'm going to add more soil.
If you like and enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe, and feel free to comment down below because I would love to hear from you guys about your gardening journey and all. So until next time, and I will see you all on my next video. Have a great day everyone, and happy gardening! Bye!